Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Money's YouTube channel. I'm Natalia. The corona cases are currently increasing, but the availability for bed and oxygen is very less. That is why it is very crucial that if you are infected or if you have the symptoms, it is advised that you take home treatment. But does your health insurance policy cover home treatments? That is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. First, if you have tested positive and you need your insurance company to cover the costs, then you need to have these two important documents. Number one, a COVID positive test report from the ICMR lab. So you should provide a COVID positive test report first, and then a doctor's prescription saying that you need to be home isolated and get home treated. So if you have these two documents, then you can definitely walk into your insurance company and ask them to cover the expenses. Now, let's talk about what all is covered under a health insurance policy. First, all the medication, the intake that you take, all the medication, all that expense is covered. Then the nurses or the doctor's visit, whenever they come to visit you at your place to check all your vitals and measure your vitals, that cost is covered as well. Then we have the CT scan, the X-ray, and even COVID. So all of this is covered under a health insurance policy. And not just that. If you are tested positive and you have to take home treatment and you have a health insurance policy, then your health insurance company will cover all your expenses till you test negative again. So this is one of the biggest advantages of having a health insurance policy, especially during this pandemic situation. Now here's the question. Do all the health insurance policy cover home treatments? Well, not all the insurance policies cover the home treatment, but if you have a policy currently, then do get in touch with your insurance company and ask them if the home treatment is covered. If it's not covered, then I would suggest you port over to a policy which has home treatments covered. In the year 2020, two policies were released. Corona Kavach Health Insurance Policy and Corona Rakshak Health Insurance Policy, and both of them cover this feature of home treatments. So if you are looking to port over to a good policy which has all the facilities, then I would suggest you look into these two policies. Having a health insurance policy for yourself and your family in this current situation is very crucial, because in this current situation anything can happen anytime. So if you end up in the emergency room or if you get tested positive, then you'd have to spend a fortune. So before that happens, make sure you have a good health insurance policy in place to save yourself from financial crisis. So if you don't have a health insurance policy in place already, please look into it right away and make sure you pick the right health insurance policy for yourself and your family. And if you already have a health insurance policy and don't have the home treatments covered, kindly look into that and port over to a policy which has this facility. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video and if you want to learn more about personal finance or career building courses or business and farming courses in 6 different languages, then click the link in the description box below and download the Financial Freedom app and start your journey towards becoming rich. And don't forget to use my code NAT. If you use this code, you'll be getting 2,000 rupees worth scholarship absolutely free. And if you like this video, then hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video. I'm Natalia and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com.